Scientists have cracked the mystery of the spiral honeycombs built by tropical stingless bees. Bees from the genus Tetragonula construct intricate structures from hexagonal beeswax cells, which can reach up to 20 levels high. But how do these diligent bees create such intricate structures without any blueprints? It turns out they are mathematical geniuses, and their building prowess can be explained by a fascinating connection to crystals. A recent study revealed that the same mathematical model governing crystal growth also governs the formation of these awe-inspiring hives. Each little worker bee unwittingly follows a set of simple rules, transforming the hive into an artistic masterpiece. Like skilled engineers, they utilize hexagonal building blocks, the most efficient use of wax, to fit snugly together. Computer modeling showed that these bees' natural instincts mimic the same patterns they create in nature. Curiously, the spiral pattern can also be found in mother-of-pearl mollusks, pointing to an unexpected similarity in nature's design. The bees' exquisite architectural abilities may be rooted in their genetic code, shaping their unique hive patterns among the 31 species of Tetragonula bees found in Oceania. While the precise purpose of the spiral shape remains unknown, speculations range from improved airflow in the hive to assisting the queen bee in navigating her domain. The Xerces blue butterfly was the first insect species in the U.S. to go extinct due to human activities. The species disappeared in 1941, only a century after being described by biologists, because of livestock grazing and urban development that destroyed its habitat. For years, scientists debated whether the Xerces blue was a separate species or just a population of the silvery blue butterfly. Recently, a group of researchers settled the debate using genetic techniques and a 93-year-old museum specimen from the Field Museum in Chicago. They confirmed that the Xerces blue was indeed its own distinct species and the first insect erased by humans. The study highlights the importance of collecting and safeguarding specimens for future research. Even though the butterfly is extinct, genetic analysis was possible from the pinned specimen in the museum collection. While the confirmation of the butterfly's distinction is significant, some researchers are now contemplating the idea of resurrecting the Xerces blue through cloning and genetic tools. However, researchers believe it is crucial to focus on conserving and protecting existing species rather than attempting to bring back extinct ones. The story of the Xerces blue serves as a poignant reminder of the impact of human actions on biodiversity and the importance of preserving and safeguarding the natural world. Dogs can tell the difference between human languages and know if you are talking nonsense. It is possible that tens of thousands of years of living with humans have made dogs better language listeners. A recent study has found that dog brains can detect speech and show different activity patterns to familiar and unfamiliar languages. Researchers used brain imaging to demonstrate for the first time that a non-human brain can differentiate two languages. For the study, 18 dogs were trained to lay motionless in a brain scanner. Researchers played them speech excerpts from a story in Spanish and Hungarian. All dogs had heard only one of the two languages from their owners. This allowed researchers to compare a highly familiar language to a completely unfamiliar one. They also made the dogs listen to scrambled versions of these excerpts, which sound completely unnatural. This allowed them to test whether dogs detect the difference between speech and non-speech at all. The team compared brain responses to speech and non-speech and found distinct activity patterns in dogs' primary auditory cortex. The mechanism underlying this speech detection ability may be different from speech sensitivity in humans. Human brains are specially tuned to speech, while dog brains may simply detect the naturalness of the sound. Interestingly, the older the dog was, the better their brain distinguished between the familiar and the unfamiliar language.